Good morning, guys. Let's start today's session. Today's session will be on modules. So, what is a module? In this session, we'll discuss about and how to construct and import custom Python modules. So, this session will cover on how do we construct and import custom modules, and not only this, additionally, uh, we may import or integrate Python built-in modules via various methods. You can use so many methods to integrate or import the Python modules. So generally, what is Python modular programming? So in generally, the definition of module programming will be uh, looks like as modular programming is the practice of segmenting a single or complicated coding task into multiple or simpler or easy to manage subtasks. Uh, Not only this, we call these subtasks as modules. We can build a bigger program by assembling different modules that act like building blocks. Okay, so we'll combine the small blocks to construct the bigger module. So a module oftenly concentrate on one completely small area of overall problem instead of the full task. We'll have a more manageable design problem to think about if we are only concentrating on one module. So, what is the main advantages of these modules? Flexibility, flexibility, and reusability and scope. These are the advantages of modules. What is flexibility? So, flexibility means modules are frequently used to establish conceptual separations between various problem areas. It is less likely that uh, changes to one module would influence other portions of the program or the script if the modules are constructed in a fashion that reduce intercontactedness. Okay, so that's to reduce this we use flexibility. We use flexible modules so that it will give you the flexibility to not to affect the other modules or other script in the other content or another block of code in the script. So let's say what is reusability when it comes to modules. Functions are created in a particular module may be readily accessed by different sections of the assignment. Okay, as a result, duplicate is no longer necessary or needed. So you can use the code again and again using those modules. Once you construct one module, you can import the same module into another script so that you can use that module again, so that you no need to write the code again and again. Not only this, and what is the scope in the sense modules often declare a distinguish namespace to prevent identifier clashes in various part of a program. In Python, modularization of the code it is encouraged through the use of functions, modules, packages, and lot more. Okay, so what does this Python allows us through modules? Python will allow us to create modules. We can create user defined modules. You can say user defined module or to create module, and regular expressions. Not only this, we can go for built-in modules. Okay, so let's let's discuss this with an few simple modules. So generally, a module is nothing but a simple file. A module is nothing but a simple file which consist which consist of Python code. That's it, guys. A module is nothing but it's a simple file which consists of Python code. And not only code, you'll have definitions in it, and you do have statements and functions. Not even this, we have classes in a simple way. So a module is nothing but it is a simple Python code which consists of definitions, statements, functions, or even this classes. How do we example? Let me give you one simple example for Python module. How does a simple Python module? So name of the module dot name of the module dot py. Sorry, that's it, guys. The name of the module, any name dot py will be considered as the module. Okay. So this is the file name. This is the file name. If I want to use this file, I can use this. If I want to import, for this you have to use the keyword import. That's it. Name of the module. So this is the file which you have created where you will have the uh, all code and all that. If you want to use this module in some other program, you need to have the keyword import space and name of that module. Okay. For this, let me give you one example. I'll show you with an example. See, let's say we have a function mm, square and we have number in it. This result is equals to number multiply by sorry square by 2. Once it is done, I want to return the I want to return that result. Okay. So this is a simple program which will give you the square of the number. Here a module is called how to so to perform this. If I run this now, see here. So it shows nothing because you don't have anything. For this you need to have a module for this. Okay, any module. Okay, you need to have a simple math. Let me go with math. To perform this, I'll go with math module. Math is a predefined module in Python. So that for this you have to take. See, if you want to, let's comment this. We'll come up with some simple example. So if you want to import anything, if you want to import any module in Python, you must use the keyword import, or you can go with import time and import OS, import uh, matplot library. So these are the predefined libraries. Okay, or you can say libraries are nothing but modules, guys. Don't get confused. Okay, this is nothing but so from this, no need to give anything like value of e. is math dot e. Simple. It will give you the Euler value. E nothing but Euler value. See here. This is the Euler value. So using that module, I'm gonna take the value which is stored in math library. So did I give any value to E? No, right? I haven't given any value to the E because that is a Euler value which is already predefined in math library. So that's the reason I'm taking this library as the reference. In this reference, I'm gonna take this E. So I'll take the extract the value which is stored in math with reference E. Okay, from there. Okay, even I can rename the math. So I cannot write every time. See, math every time. Every time I cannot write math because this is the long word. So I'll rename this as M. That's it, or MT. Okay, so for this, then if I run this now, it will give you an error. See, because we have already renamed it math to MT. MT. So now I'll go with MT. See here. Now it will run. See. So this is called renaming. This is renaming. Renaming of module. Are we good? Any doubts, guys? As of now, we can import specific names from the module without importing the module as a whole. I'll show you that also. See, for this, you can write this same as this math E. I can write from math import E. So now I can let me comment this. Now I can directly print the E's value. See here, that's it. See, right? Value is. See, this is another way, guys. This is another way. Okay, from math import that E. Both are similar. Math dot E from math import E. Both are similar, and we can import math as empty. Even if you run this, it will give you the same value. See here. That is called renaming the module. So if I want to import more than one library, I can import in a single line. See, I can import OS right here. I can import some other libraries like toss value. So see, if we run this now, so in OS there is no to. So from not here actually. One second. See, from math I have imported once E, but I want to use the tau value also. I can go with tau. So here I'll go with toss value. Print tau value is tau. So here I can import more than, see here, this is the toss value and this is E's value. So here our intention is we can import n number of submodules from the main module. So these are the submodules, these are the main modules. From main modules you can import more than one module by using a comma operator. Okay, are we good? If you want to import all the modules from it, we can go for star. Instead of e star, I can go with star. See here. So all the submodules which are present in math that will be imported by using simple namespace using star symbol. This is the namespace. So there are benefits and drawbacks to use symbol star. It is not advised to use star always, because unless you need certain or particular requirements from the module. Otherwise, don't use the star. Okay, because it will it has to load all the modules into the RAM, into the memory, so that it will slows down your scripting time. So don't go for star always. Just go with now. If I want to use the here, we did not get the square root of the number, right? Now I'll go with here. See, square of let me give you square of 2, square of 2. I want to know what is the value of square root of 2. For this, you have a predefined module sqrt method. Just go with sorry guys. Just go with square root of 2. See, square of 2 is square root of 2 is square root of 2 is 1.44. Then how about square root of 25? Square root of 25. It says 5.0, that is 5 is the square root. And where does this square root came from? It came from this math module. Okay, this math module we have imported all, so that you can use any method from that module. Okay, even you can calculate the pi by 6 value also, tan pi by 6. Let me give you that also. uh, Tangent of angle is, for this, tangent of pi by 6, right? The formula is pi by 6, right? Pi by 6 is the tangent value. So let me run this. So this is the tangent value of an angle. So these are the modules which are defined already. These methods are already defined in those module. Which module? Which module? Math module, right? From there we can import all the things and we can use them. Okay. Let's say I want to know the path where I am right now. For this, you need to go with path. So I want to know the path. Sys dot path. So let me run this here where I am right now. This is the path where I am working right now. This batch 4. See here. Yeah, this batch 4 is this file is in. We are right now. We are working on this file, and this file's path is this one. How do I know? By using sys.path. This is also a module. For this, you need to import this sys. See here, I have already imported this sys module here. That's the reason. Okay, if I do not import this sys module, let me comment this. Now I did not imported any sys module. It will throws an error. See here. See here. It is an error. Sys is not defined because we have used sys here, but there is no sys here. So that we need to import this. Then if you rerun this program, it will give you a exact path. So any doubts, guys? Okay, good. The last topic is scope. Yeah, Raju. No, no. See, we have imported already. We have already imported sys here. If you don't import, that will throw you an error. Let me show you that. Let me comment this. I'm commenting, which means this is a comment. We did not included anything. So see, it says name error. Name sys is not defined. Okay. So for this, you have to define this sys keyword. Whatever the code you have used here, sys, you have to define, and that is predefined in sys module. So just import this. It will. Oops. Oh yeah. Uh, yeah, yeah. For this, you need to go with print. Let's say list out all the functions. So that's the then you'll go with directory and those strings. And so what after everything you should give. See for this, if you execute this now, it will throw. It will show you everything. See here, add class contains del attribute directory doc equation format general gen get attribute get item, right? These are the directories all which are present in those. See, attributes and everything, there are so many. There are so many. Okay. Yeah, by using dir str. Okay, dir is the directories method. By using the string, it will shows you all the functions which are stored in that particular module. The last one, scope. So how can we go with the scope? Let's say I'm having a number, let's say 100, and now I'll have one. So this is another program. Okay, so here I'll have one addition method. So in this method, I want to. This is global variable, guys. As we know this, right? Global variable. This is a, now we are trying to explore the scope. Okay, here now I want to access this 100. For this, we should go with global keyword, then the name of the variable. What is the name of the variable? Number is the name of the variable. Here I have accessed. Now number is equals to number plus, let's say 100. So 100 plus 100, or else go with some 10. So now I want to print that number. See here. If I run this now, it will show what? 100. Because it's supposed, because this is access the global variable. It will print the global variable. After you call this method, then it will give you that number. See here. Now I want to print this 110. So 100 plus 10, 110. I want to print that. For this, you have to call the method add, then print that number. Now it will show you the actual 110 value. See here, 110 value. Here the difference is scoping. Here the scope is it has taken the scope of this number. But after you call the function, this function, it will start executing from here. Okay. This is example for the scope. Any doubts? Okay. Next one. Likewise, you can perform on the dates and everything, date, time. Okay. Next, math module, OS module, we have random module, static module, collection modules. Tomorrow we'll have this session on assert and list comprehension. Very important, guys.